Welcome back to 17,000 Flavors of Indonesia. So, we're gonna make opor tempe today. Okay,
and watch your fingers this time.
Yeah, be careful with your finger. Okay. You just can cut it like that. Okay, oil, coconut oil. Okay, I think it's hot already. Let's put this. What is this? Onion. Okay, yep, onion. If you in Indonesia we use shallot, but here it's kind of difficult to find shallot like this. You can use onion and the red pepper. Okay, it's red pepper. Okay, you put your tempe now. Okay, tempe. Right there. Put your tempe. Yeah. Cook them maybe 1 minute. Some people want this veggie kind of crunchy, so you can put at the last when it's almost done. But I like to put at the beginning because that aroma, fragrance of that smells so good. Okay. Okay, you do this for 1 minute, okay? And then you put the bumbu kuning. Take a look at that, bumbu kuning. Bumbu kuning. Say bumbu kuning. Yes, bumbu kuning. It's a very general seasoning around Indonesia, kind of curry, but it's light curry. Okay, because we're gonna put some liquid. I'm gonna do 4 spoons perhaps. Okay guys, 1, 2, 3, 4 spoons. Okay. Yeah. Some people they use just like this. Okay, or do like that, and then you dump it. But me, I'm gonna just make it. I'm gonna do like this. Where's my knife? Okay. Okay, I think that's enough. This. Okay, guys. Put. And it's your preference too. If you wanna put more, wanna put a lot. Okay, take a look at that. Woo.
Smash
the lemongrass. If you want to put, you can just put it like this. Okay.
And even though it's already in the seasoning, it's always nice to add a little fresh if you have it on hand.
Yeah.
But not required.
Not required. Optional. Okay, guys.
Yeah.
Optional. Combination of sugar and salt, it will make the taste umami. It will make the taste savory, kind of that. So 2 pinch of salt and 2 pinch of sugar. Okay, let them boil 1 more time and we are good. Okay guys, and then daun salam or bay leaf, the last one. It's optional guys, so this optional, this daun salam optional, and then the lime leaf too optional. Let them boil. It's very fast. Just gonna put some here. Okay. If you want a more liquid, you can put more liquid, guys. But I like kind of that thicker kind of stuff. Okay. Forget your lemongrass there. Just put some lemongrass. Okay, so moment of truth. Tasting it. Okay, so this is the tempe. It's a vegan, no animal product here, guys. It's only salt, and sugar. If you don't want to put sugar, that's fine, just add more salt. Okay, if you want to just use salt or umami, that's fine. So this one. So that kaffir taste, the coconut milk mixed with tempeh, it's very good, because this tempeh, that they have that kind of floury kind of texture. When you cook it, it make it thicker and it tastes so good. And of course the lemongrass, so good, bueno, enak sekali, oishi. What else? What else?
I forgot.
So good. Try, babe. You want to try?
Mm-hmm.
It's very simple, very fast, but tasteful. Like tasteful.
Tasty.
Yeah, it's very tasty.
So good.
In Indonesia, especially in my island, we put anchovy or dry fish and shrimp paste. But this is for vegan guys, or any food that I make. If you guys vegan, don't put animal product. That's it.
And if you're a meat eater, don't discount this. It's fabulous. Okay.
Okay, that's it. Share,
like,
comment. Then don't forget to go to website
17,000flavors.cooking
and purchase it. Try this at home.